Yo, what up, people? It's your boy Moneymatts coming back one more time for this week with another special video. You
Something.
can tell I'm wearing Simpsons apparel. I'm eating the pink donut. And of course, we're going to show you something again from the lab. Got back in there, had this inspiration. I was cleaning up and I found one of my old lunch boxes that I got for a gift.
It's sacrilegious, I tell you.
Sacrilegious, right? Homer Simpson and his love for donuts, right? That's me in a sense. I love donuts. I don't really eat them as much now, but back in the day, boy, I'd kill a donut. So just wanted to put a little paint where it ain't on some Air Force Ones and bring you guys the donut. The Homer Simpson Air Force One, the donut. Customized by yours truly, me. So I wanted to keep it simple on these, man. Hit them with the Simpsons yellow, the blue for Homer's pants, a white for his shirt, and of course, the donut. So yeah, I've seen a lot of customs online of Air Force Ones with mad drippage, and it made it look a little gaudy, in my opinion. So I wanted to keep these nice and simple to where I can actually wear them and not look all crazy. So yeah, I went with the simple colors, the simple color blocking, but I had to make sure I put that donut on the back. And of course, sacrilegious. Yeah, buddy. Little pink hits, the yellow, blue, the white. Kept it nice and simple, man. Nice and simple so I could actually wear these. Because you know me, I'm always wearing my shoes. I only got one pair. Oh, no, I got probably like 4 or 5 pair of shoes on ice that I haven't worn. But that's only because the occasion ain't came up yet. So, but yeah, these will get worn because I am a Simpsons fan. That's for sure, for sure. So, yeah, these are the Homer Simpsons, the donut, Air Force One, custom by your boy, Money Matt. So, yeah, I had some pink and white laces I was going to go with in these, but I've felt it would probably been doing a bit too much, so I went ahead and went with the yellow, and colored that Air Force One tab on the laces pink. So it kind of made it pop a little bit, in my opinion. So yeah, again, that's the donut, Homer Simpson custom Air Force Ones by me, yeah boy. Last but not least, please hit that like, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you'll be the first to get the content when I drop it. I try to drop content 2 to 3 times a week on various things, sneakers, food, because I'm always trying stuff. I'm always buying stuff too. So if you don't mind, please like, subscribe to my channel for more content. Helps me out. It don't cost you a thing. So please do that for your boy. Gone.